Hi guys, Miss Richo here. I'm going to talk to you about how to make a data chart using data in Google Apps. First you go up to the Google Apps section, go down to Sheets, select Sheets. Alright, once you've got this you want to get a blank page here, blank data sheet. And then here you are going to add all your names. In the second column, I just put in the plain distance. And then you want to put in the classroom names in this column here. And the distances of how far the planes went. Okay, once you've got the names in there, you put in the distance in meters. 4.5 as the first one, and 1.8, and you just go down in meters and add all of the measurements for the first flight. Once you've got that, then what I've done is I'm going to put in the distance of the second distance. And this is the second try. Obviously, some of the kids had some better results. And so on. Okay, once you've added that data, all you need to do is select it. So I left click on my mouse, drag it down so it's all highlighted. And then all we do is we go up to Insert and we go down to Chart, really simple, Insert Chart, and there is our chart right here, our data chart. And you can customize it. Just zoom this out a bit so that you can actually see it a little bit better. So there's your data that you've entered, and once you've inserted your data chart, this comes up and it shows these are the students. Their names and first the distance, their first distance try, and then they've got their second there. Alright, now the last part of it is actually adding a title to it. So we had paper plane data that we wanted to collect for our grade. Alright, and we're going to save that in the My Drive. So once you do it, you don't have to save it, it's already saved in your drive, and then we're going to upload it in another video.